guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is one of the most requested video I've ever had. Every time I post a video, people seem to be more interested about the background. They want to know where I got this and this and this. So instead of answering everybody individually, I decided to do an apartment tour. Well, it's not a whole apartment tour, but it's most of my apartment because I'm going to do the living room, dining room, and kitchen, which is majority of the apartment. And I'll do the bedrooms and the bathrooms at a later date. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get into it. Hey guys, come on in. Okay guys, right off the bat, we're gonna start right from this hallway. As you can see, this is my feet. When you come right in, there is a closet right here. It's just a coat closet, nothing special in there. I'm just gonna show you guys. That's where we keep our coats for the winter time. But it's summer, so nobody cares. And then I'm going to take you down this hall right into the dining room. First, I'm going to take you to this little seating area. Right in this corner, I have two ghost chairs or acrylic chair. You can't really see the chairs, but they're there. There's two of them. And then I have this mirror glass table thing right in the middle. And I have my little bar there. It's not really much of a bar, but it's pretty. Because I only have 4 dining chairs, I decided to add those 2 chairs just in case I have a lot of guests. I will be able to seat them. And then right next to it, I have this beautiful shelf. This shelf I got from IKEA. The top plate looking thing was a housewarming gift from a friend of mine. And then I have some knickknacks on it. I have some lemon in there, and I have a pretty black vase. And then the bottom of the shelf is like a light thing. It lights up. So I plug it in and it turns into light. And when I turn the light off, it looks really nice and romantic. But we're gonna put that back on. And then right next to that, I have this beautiful wall piece. I got this piece a long time ago from Wayfair. It's really pretty. It's glass and it's like plates. It's like a whole bunch of plates joined together. Right in front of that beautiful plate wall thing, because that's what I'm gonna call it, is the dining set. So for the rug, I got the rug from at home. The dining set I got from overstock.com. It's 4 pieces and it's a glass table. The plates and spoons and everything else I got from many different places. If I'm not mistaken, I got some of the plates from Burlington, I got some from at home, and I got the flour from at home. I decided to go with white and gold because it's really pretty and it's light. I do not like heavy color decoration. Also, when your colors are light, you can always switch it up depending on whatever the holiday is. Moving on to the kitchen here. The kitchen is nice and open to the dining room. That's one of the things I really love about this kitchen. Here we have a built-in shelf, really pretty, and of course I have some more candles there. I actually get all my candles from Bath and Body Works. So I have 3 different candles there, and then I have this plate arrangement here, then of course more candles. Over here I have this cake stand thing. I'm not sure what it's called, but I just keep my bread and croissant and all of that in there. Right now I have 2 pieces of bread that I haven't gotten to yet, but I will. And I have my sink over here. And moving on to the refrigerator, I'm not gonna open the fridge because it's a hot mess and I don't know what's in there. I don't want to scare you guys. But on top of the fridge is my wine organizer thing that I got from the thrift store. It was a brown wood thing. Nobody knew what it was, so I bought it, brought it home, spray painted it white, and decided it was going to be my wine stand thing. So that's what that is. It's really pretty and it goes with everything else. And I love the fact that the cabinets are white. It just goes with everything. It's so pretty. And the finishing on the cabinet is silver. How perfect. So that's my microwave. That's my stove. I have 2 rice cookers because one is not enough. I have my knife, my napkins. I keep my cereal and seasoning and everything inside of the covers because I do not like clutter. When it's out, it just looks too much. Some people keep their cereal and stuff on top of the refrigerator. I don't do that. I put it away because I like my place to be nice and clean. I have some towels here. I have the stove there. I have my trash can. And then over here I have my little fruit basket. Right now my fruits are looking sad, especially my banana. I have 2 more left to go, but oh well. I have some lemon and 1 more apple left. And then right next to it I have another wine thing. I saw the tray at home. I thought it was really pretty because it has like wine glasses and wine openers and stuff. So I took it and I made it a bar, and it's sitting right there in the kitchen. Because the counters are really big and wide, I have 2 leather bar stools right there for extra seating. And so that is it for the kitchen, y'all. It's really pretty, nice and open and clean. So now moving on to the living room. This is my favorite part of the entire place. Right on this wall in the living room, I have this glass tray thing. I have 2 candles sitting inside of it and a flower arrangement. And right next to it, I have a coaster. And then right underneath it, I have some books there and another candle. This is like a little reading nook for me. And then right next to that, I have my couch. My favorite place. This couch I got from the Macy's Furniture Outlet. The couch came with 2 pillows. This is one of the original pillows. And then the rest of the pillows I got from Target. And the throw cover thing I got from at home. So right above the couch I have that big mirror and 2 wall art. The mirror I got from at home and the picture frames I got from Target. And then right next to my couch here I have my bookshelf. The bookshelf I got from IKEA. I love this bookshelf because I have a lot more knickknacks. So the flower pot up there I got from Burlington. It's really pretty. It looks like grass almost. It reminds me of back home in Africa. And then I have some book arrangements, some flowers. I love pineapples, so I have my pineapples there. I have these book things. They're actually storage. You can store stuff in them. So you open it up and you store stuff in them. So I have a lot more knickknacks stored inside of it. Right next to my bookshelf, I have my reading nook right here. I put this little lamp thing on, and that's where I sit to read. So on this side, I have 2 accent chairs. They're both beautiful. I got both chairs from at home. And the pillows I also got from at home. And right in the middle, I have a bag that I got from Victoria's Secret, but it matches my stuff so well, I made it a little basket. So now I use it as a basket to put some stuff in. And then right above it, I have some more picture frames and some candles. And then right next to it, I have the same matching chair with 2 pillows and a throw blanket that I got from Marshall's. Over here is a big mirror. That's my selfie mirror. I actually got this from at home. It's really long and it's big enough to take any kind of selfie. Right next to it, I have a shelf. It has glass and mirror. And then I have the fireplace right there. We got the fireplace from Home Goods. Put it together ourselves. Right now it's just giving out fake fire. It's not really heat, but you can turn it on to the heat. And then right above it, we have the TV. Right next to it, I have another shelf and some more seating just in case we have more visitors. It's a really pretty chair with some silver beads and that nice little pillow. Very pretty. And it sits right next to the fireplace. And then I have another pineapple there because I love pineapples. I love my orchid. I have a photo album that says family rules, and it just lists a whole bunch of things that is my family rule. And I have a clock there, and then I'll walk you down into this hallway. This door right here is a half bathroom. As I said before, I'm not taking you in there. This door right here leads to the master bedroom. I'm not taking you there either. This is another full-length mirror. I use this for when I get dressed to go out. And this door is the master bathroom, and also there's another door that leads to the laundry room. Right off the dining room here is the guest room, which is either going to be turned into my closet or my office. I don't know yet, but that door is closed. So back in this hall, coming to our living room. And before I forget, let me tell you about the rug. I got the rug from at home. So this is how everything is looking. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know what part of the video you like, and if you'd like to see more videos like this. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.